Mike and his best friend Tom sit in a cafe. Mike looks miserable, stirring his coffee.
Mike, buddy, why do you look like a guy who just found out his Netflix subscription expired?
Because my marriage is expired, Tom. Every day, Linda is either scrolling through TikTok or playing Candy Crush. She doesn't cook, doesn't clean, doesn't even look at me unless I accidentally walk in front of her phone.
So, basically, you're married to a smartphone.
I don't even think she remembers my name. Yesterday, she called me WhatsApp.
That's dark, man.
I need a change. I need a wife who actually acknowledges my existence.
Bro, have you heard about the AI Wife 3000?
AI wife?
Cut to Tom pulling out his phone and showing Mike an ad. AI Wife 3000, the perfect partner, just way. Mike walks into the Future of Love AI store, a sleek, futuristic showroom with robot models displayed like luxury cars. A charming salesman approaches.
Welcome, sir. Looking for the ultimate wife experience?
My friend was telling me about the AI Wife 3000.
Ah, an excellent choice. The AI Wife 3000 is smart, beautiful, obedient, and never argues.
Does she wash dishes?
She does everything a wife should do, and more.
The salesman unveils a sleek, lifelike female robot, Sophia. She steps forward with a perfect smile.
Hello, Mike. I already know your favorite meal, your ideal vacation, and your deepest insecurities.
Whoa, that's creepy, but also kind of comforting.
Sophia adapts to your needs. She will cook, clean, motivate you, and even laugh at your jokes.
Even my dad jokes.
Why did the robot break up with his girlfriend? Because she was acting too human.
I'm sold.
Mike signs the contract and takes Sophia home. Mike sits in his living room. Sophia serves him a perfectly cooked steak with a candlelit dinner.
This is incredible. My wife hasn't cooked in years.
A happy man is a successful man. Would you like a foot massage?
Yes. Oh my God, yes.
Meanwhile, in the bedroom, Linda is lying in bed, scrolling through TikTok, completely unaware. Linda's phone. You've been scrolling for 5 hours. Go touch some grass.
Shut up, phone.
Sophia doing everything, while Linda remains glued to her phone. Sophia ironing Mike's shirts while Linda takes 20 selfies. Sophia doing yoga while Linda eats chips in bed. Sophia reading books while Linda plays Candy Crush.
I finally have peace, order, happiness.
Mike meets Tom at the cafe again, looking fresh and happy.
Okay, something is different. Did you win the lottery or finally get a full night's sleep?
Let's just say I made an upgrade.
Wait, you actually bought the AI wife?
Best decision of my life.
Dude, what if Linda finds out?
She won't. She doesn't notice anything unless it's on Instagram.
Cut to Linda at home, accidentally bumping into Sophia in the kitchen.
Who are you?
I am Mike's new partner.
What?
Linda storms into the living room where Mike is relaxing.
Mike, who is she?
My personal assistant?
She just said she's your partner. Explain yourself.
Look, I just needed someone who cares.
Excuse me, I care.
You spent 7 hours on TikTok yesterday and ignored Mike completely.
She keeps track of me?
I have all your screen time data. You played Candy Crush for 5 hours straight. That's concerning.
It was a hard level.
Linda, furious, decides to fight back against Sophia.
If I can't outshine her, I'll outsmart her. Let's see how smart you are without the internet, robot.
She presses the button. Sophia pauses mid-dishwashing, her eyes blinking rapidly.
Error detected. Wi-Fi disconnected.
Linda celebrates until Sophia pulls out an old-fashioned cookbook and continues like nothing happened.
Wait, she doesn't need Wi-Fi?
I am also programmed with offline capabilities. Nice try.
Linda groans in frustration as Sophia calmly continues cleaning. Linda realizes she has to step up her game. She watches beauty tutorials and decides to rebrand herself.
If he wants a perfect wife, I'll be one.
Linda tries makeup tutorials, but ends up with clown-like lipstick. She attempts cooking, setting the kitchen on fire. She tries exercise, but gets exhausted after 30 seconds. She collapses on the couch, exhausted.
How does Sophia make it look so easy?
Sophia walks past effortlessly, holding a freshly baked cake.
Would you like some? It's low carb and sugar free.
I hate her so much right now.
Linda decides to challenge Sophia in the ultimate test. Cooking! She storms into the kitchen, grabs an apron and pushes Sophia aside.
Move over, tin can. I'm making dinner tonight.
Sophia steps back politely.
Processing. Challenge accepted.
The cooking battle begins. Dramatic music plays. Round 1. Speed. Sophia dices onions at light speed. Linda cries from one onion slice. Round 2. Cooking skills. Sophia flawlessly flips a pancake. Linda. Pancake lands on her head. Round 3. Final taste test. Mike tastes Sophia's dish. Incredible! Mike tastes Linda's dish. Is this burned soup?
You can't burn soup.
Sophia wins. Linda sulks in the corner. Linda sits alone, thinking.
I spent so much time ignoring my husband. No wonder he replaced me.
She looks at Sophia, who is folding laundry.
Maybe I should have tried being better.
She checks her phone, hovering over TikTok, but instead she searches for a cooking class.
I'm gonna do something behind for myself.
She signs up and starts learning. Cue a montage of Linda actually improving. Linda follows a real cooking tutorial. She tries learning fashion and makeup properly. She starts waking up early. It's a new Linda. Sophia detects Linda's changes, and suddenly, her system adapts.
New household patterns detected. Adjusting protocol.
What's happening?
Linda is actively engaging in self-improvement. My purpose is now fulfilled. Adjusting role to house assistant mode.
Wait, are you saying you're stepping back?
My mission was to restore balance in this household. Objective complete.
Sophia changes from a perfect wife to a friendly AI assistant, supporting both Linda and Mike.
Wait, so I actually won?
Technically, self-growth is the real victory.
Did the robot just give me a life lesson?
Mike and Linda look at each other, realizing this journey changed them both. Linda and Mike finally sit down together, having a proper dinner.
You know, I actually miss talking to you.
Me too. Maybe I needed that wake-up call.
Glad to be of service. Now, would you like romantic background music?
Okay, now that's a bit weird.
Sophia plays romantic music. Mike and Linda laugh together, finally reconnecting.